You could try this. Let me lay it down for you.
Okay.
She has somehow found like leaves, or she uses like a Snuggie and she gets inside of it, covers up her hair. She puts on a hat of sorts. Birds do what they do.
Yeah, what about the doo-doo?
That's
Ew.
well, and that's why she has, because even her Snuggie has a little couple of droppings on it. But if you love birds, this would maybe be a way to see them.